It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 1st of December. You know what this is? This is the beginning of meteorological winter. How about that? And we are looking at maybe the coldest air so far this season toward the end of next week, and another beneficial rain event that will likely kick off before the weekend is over. Big trough over the eastern states, pulling down cooler, drier air in the wake of the big severe weather event here earlier this week. Temperatures are in the 30s. In fact, it's down to freezing at Fort Payne. Cullman 37, Tuscaloosa 35, Birmingham a little warmer in the city at 40. We'll expect a high today in the upper 50s in most spots. Watch warning map, pretty quiet. Winter storm warning for parts of northern Maine and some winter weather advisories back in the northwestern states. On the severe weather outlook, we have a marginal risk on day 3. This is Saturday for parts of the Texas coastal plain. And then on day 5, which is Monday of next week, there is a risk of severe weather defined for New Orleans, Mobile, and Jackson, Mississippi. And we might be dealing with strong storms again, maybe Monday night or Tuesday, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. But wow, look at that. For a parched state, that is just a beautiful map in terms of the rain amounts for the next 7 days. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Amounts for our state between 3 and 4 inches in most spots. The bullseye, 4.5 inches around Anniston. And you tack that onto the rain we had earlier this week, and that is making a big dent in the drought. And understand, we need a foot of rain, but many spots have picked up 4 inches this week. And if we pick up an additional 4 inches, then we're getting there. But let's look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at noon. You see troughing up in the northeastern states, a new trough beginning to form in the west. But we're dry, sunny with upper 50s today. Tomorrow, we start the day around freezing. The high will be close to 60. The sky will be sunny. But yeah, look at Saturday. Here comes the next impulse. Clouds will increase. The sky becomes cloudy. Rain to the west, and rain will probably begin to creep in here Saturday night. This is midnight Saturday night. And Sunday looks wet. Looks like we'll have a warm front just south of here, which means it's going to be a cool rain. Parts of North Alabama could stay in the 40s all day Sunday. Just a cool, rainy day. And again, that's just what the doctor ordered. And this is Monday of next week. We are still wet. The warm front probably a little north of us, so temperatures should get back up in the 60s. And then look what happens here. This is Tuesday morning at 6 o'clock. A rapidly deepening surface low is near Paducah, Kentucky. And if this were to verify, that might put us in another severe weather setup late Monday night or Tuesday morning. And understand this is, we've seen different looks out here. This could change again, but there's something to watch. And if this is right, the rain will be ending later in the day Tuesday. And now the GFS has us dry on Wednesday. Other runs have kept rain in through Wednesday, but this looks dry and pleasant. Nothing especially cool. Highs would be around 60 if this is right. And this is the end of next week, Thursday, the 8th of December, and we've got troughing over the northeastern states. And again, we're cool and dry, but the European is much, much deeper with the trough over the eastern states, and it pulls down some very cold air at the end of next week. These anomalies are more than 20 degrees below average, and if that's right, some folks around here could see highs in the 30s and lows pushing down toward the teens. And the European often performs a little better in the medium range. Look at the numbers off the European, and you can see Friday of next week, the 9th, the high dropping to 41, and this is off the ensemble, and again, I think it could easily be colder than that, so get set for the coldest air so far this season in about 7 to 8 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.